Excuse me. Uber job is now very good. It's very busy now. Super busy. Super busy. Yesterday I made 21 trips. I make $600. $600. Now Uber is getting busy. Yeah, I like to use the dash cam. Dash cam is always safe. Always safe. So before you let, you need to use the dash cam. The dash cam that with the speed indicator is the best one. If you guys have that, I highly recommend it. But even though you don't have that with the speed indicator, it's okay too, as long as you have it. I have inside video camera that far away from the TLC, what you call the TLC official use, but it's not cheap. It's $850. Okay, the professional video. For that you need to have the sticker too. That's a